ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to day 2 of the 2020 U.S. Army Futures Command Innovation Combine. My name is Erica Bertoli. I am joining you from the U.S. Army Combat Capabilities Development Command, and I'm so honored and excited to be able to serve as your MC again today for this event. For those of you who were with us yesterday, you got to see 4 incredible companies pitching their solutions around novel materials for weight reduction and survivability. The presentations were amazing, and today's group promises to be just as outstanding. For those of you who were unable to join us yesterday, welcome, and welcome to this part of the U.S. Army Future Command's mission to forge the future through innovation and excellence. AFC is proud to be presenting this new and unique approach to seeking innovative technical solutions across a vast ecosystem. So as we get ready to hear from today's 4 presenters, I wanted to take a moment and share with you some background about the AFC Innovation Combine process. Over the 2-day Innovation Combine, we are hearing from companies proposing solutions in the areas of novel materials for weight reduction and survivability, and scalable power and energy solutions. Developments in these fields will ultimately yield advancements in the production of equipment that is lightweight, easily transported, robust, and cost and energy efficient. As Major General George, the Commanding General of the Combat Capabilities Development Command, has said, the CCDC team is hungry for solutions. We've worked with all kinds of innovative and non-traditional partners, from 2 brothers in their garage called How and How Technologies, to NASCAR teams, to individual scientists and universities and major defense corporations. This event is just one way that AFC is tackling these challenges and leveraging new partnerships to enhance innovation. So as we get ready to hear from today's 4 presenters, I wanted to take a moment to share some of the background about the AFC Innovation Combine process as it relates to the critical partnerships needed. In the beginning, the AFC Combine process received 82 white papers from 74 companies. Of the 74 companies that submitted, 28% had not previously conducted business with DoD. Of the companies that originally submitted, 94% were small businesses, and of the top 8 offerers who you will be hearing from yesterday and today, all 8 are small businesses. I think that's incredibly exciting, and it really speaks to the innovation of this process and opening up new avenues for collaboration with industry. It's been an amazing experience over the course of the competition to see so many teams participate in this effort to make the U.S. Army soldiers safer and more effective. Army Futures Command is working to enable innovation by creating purposeful networks of non-traditional businesses, startups, investors, academia, and industry focused around technologies that will advance the Army's modernization priorities. The Innovation Combine provides a forum for these groups to collaborate with the Army, earn prize money, and tackle Army challenges with scalable power and energy solutions and novel materials for weight reduction and survivability. And when it's all said and done, 1 team in each category will be announced winner. The remaining 6 companies will receive awards up to $15,000 each, and the 2 winning teams will each earn prize awards of up to $45,000, as well as enter into negotiations for a contract valued at up to $300,000. Today, we are excited to hear pitches from our 4 outstanding companies, this time in the field of scalable power and energy solutions. So to introduce today's topic, please enjoy this short video from Mr. Doug Tamilio, Director of the U.S. Army Soldier Center.
First of all, I would like to thank all 36 of the companies who participated in this Innovation Combine topic, and especially the 4 companies that have been down-selected for today's competition. Congratulations. In 2018, the U.S. Army Modernization Strategy introduced 6 new bold priorities to make soldiers and units more lethal to deploy, fight, and win. Soldier lethality is one of those modernization priorities, and the CCDC Soldier Center is committed to discovering, developing, and advancing science and technology solutions that ensure America's warfighters are optimized, protected, and lethal. Investments in soldier lethality will increase the capability of individual soldier weapons, provide soldiers with enhanced night vision capabilities, and increase their ability to quickly understand and react to emerging situations, increasing their lethality, situational awareness, precision, and survivability. Along with this increased lethality comes increased power demands. This reality is what drives us to seek new scalable power and energy solutions. Left as is, the current commercial batteries and small power generation systems will not satisfy the higher demand without increasing physical and cognitive load on our soldiers. Additionally, it will increase the burden of resupply. This is why scalable power and energy are so important to the Army of today and the future. Over the next few years, our soldiers and squad equipment sets will be fundamentally transformed more than at any other time in recent history, and power is at the core of this architecture being successful. To address this pending problem, we have identified 2 technology areas where improvements are needed and established key metrics for each of them. We recognize that these metrics are aggressive. They were intended to be aggressive to push the state of the art. You each submitted proposals that offered solutions that claim to meet these metrics, so we are confident that, while aggressive, they can be met. To quickly review them, we are seeking lighter, energy-dense, safe, rechargeable batteries that can be demonstrated at the battery prototype level of 400 watt-hours a kilogram and or 500 watt-hours a kilogram at the cell level. We are also seeking a small form factor power generation system that could include fuel cells or small engine technologies to recharge batteries while on the move, and that are lightweight and less than 5 pounds, including fuel. By addressing this pending problem, we are working to strengthen soldiers' performance and capabilities to increase their readiness and ensure they are equipped for prompt and sustainable ground combat operations.
So after that outstanding video, let's get ready to kick this off by introducing the companies who will be presenting today. The 4 companies presenting their projects today are Black Diamond Structures from Austin, Texas, Liquid Piston from Bloomfield, Connecticut, Spark Thermionics from Emeryville, California, and Tex Power from Austin, Texas. Judging today's presenters will be representatives and experts from the Army community. I'd now like to introduce our 4 judges for today's topic. First, from the Assistant Secretary of the Army Acquisitions, Logistics, and Technology, or ASALT, the Soldiers Squad Portfolio, I present Dr. Amy Smith. Our next judge joins us from the 75th Innovation Command and is Colonel Stephen Potter. Next, we have Mr. Andrew Maughan joining us from the CCDC Soldier Center. And finally, we have Mr. Scott Feldman from the CCDC Soldier Center.